Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a kind and talented young girl named Maya.
Maya loved to draw and paint, but she was very poor and didn't have any brushes or colors to create her art. She would often use sticks to draw pictures in the dirt, imagining the beautiful colors in her mind.
One day, as Maya was walking home from the market, she found an old man sitting by the roadside. He looked tired and hungry, so Maya shared her small loaf of bread with him. The old man was very grateful and asked, "Why are you so kind to a stranger?" Maya smiled and said, "Everyone needs a little kindness." Touched by her generosity, the old man pulled out a small, shiny object from his bag. The bristles seemed to shimmer with a soft, golden light. He handed it to Maya and said, "This is a magical paintbrush. Use it wisely." Maya was surprised and overjoyed. She thanked the old man and hurried home to try out her new paintbrush. She dipped it into a pot of water, and to her amazement, the brush transformed the water into bright, beautiful colors. Maya started painting on a piece of paper, and whatever she painted came to life. She painted a tree, and right there, a tree sprouted in her room, full of green leaves and colorful birds. Maya couldn't believe her eyes. She realized that, with this magical paintbrush, she could help her village. The next day, Maya painted fields full of crops, and the villagers no longer went hungry. She painted houses for those without homes, and everyone had a place to stay. The village became a happy, colorful place, thanks to Maya's kindness and her magical paintbrush. But soon, the news of Maya's magical paintbrush reached the ears of a greedy king who ruled the land.
The king wanted the brush for himself, so he sent his soldiers to take it from Maya. They brought her to the king's palace, where the king ordered her to paint a mountain of gold for him. Maya knew that the king was selfish and greedy, so she thought of a plan. She agreed to paint for the king, but instead of painting gold, she painted a huge ocean around the king's palace. The water rose higher and higher until it surrounded the entire palace. The king was trapped on his island with no way to escape.
Seeing how her magic had been used for greed, Maya decided to keep the paintbrush safe, only using it to help others in need. She returned to her village, where she continued to use the paintbrush to bring joy and happiness to her friends and neighbors. And so, the magical paintbrush stayed in Maya's caring hands, always ready to bring more kindness and beauty into the world.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.